Hey everybody, I'm Les from the Power Sports Store, and it is once again monthly giveaway time. First of all, congratulations to Blake Slater, who won the Fly Racing helmet from our last giveaway. For October 2023, we're going to have an epic giveaway. Just so happens we're going to be at the Fastline Track Days event at the end of October. It's called the Chili Cook-Off. Last weekend in October, like 28th, 29th, right before Halloween. We're going to be doing the drawing there. Probably at the Sunday morning riders meeting. Anyway, once again, epic giveaway for October 2023. We're going to be giving away the Pitbull stand of your choice. So we use Pitbull almost every single day here because they make an application for almost any sport bike. They make strong products, reliable products, and best of all, they're made right here in the US. So love our Pitbull products. Rear stands, front stand, TRS system, jack stands, your choice. What one do you need? You need a rear stand? Fantastic, they make one for you. And we're gonna give you like the fully adjustable, the full kit, not just the basic. You need a front stand? No problem, we'll get you a front stand. You got a single-sided swing arm? No problem, they make a single-sided swing arm application for your bike and the pins that go with it. You got all the stands you need, but okay, great. Get a set of jack stands. They come in super handy for track bikes. Anyway, all you gotta do, register below, and you'll be entered to win. Again, we're gonna do the drawing at the Fastline Track Days event. It's called the Chili Cook-Off at the end of October. All you gotta do is enter to win. Good luck, have a great day.